Hainich is a forested hill chain in the state of Thuringia in Germany, between the towns of Eisenach, Mühlhausen and Bad Langensalza. Hainich covers an area of around 160 square kilometers, of which, since the 31st of December 1997, half has been designated as Hainich National Park. The highest point in Hainich is Alte Berg at 1,621 feet. The Mühlhäuser Stadtwald in the northern part of Hainich is the largest municipal forest of Thuringia. The landmark of Hainich is Betteliche of 600-year-old common Oakadilla Fell. Geography. Hainich is 18.6 mls long from north to south and 2.5 to 5 mls broad from west to east. The western edge of Hainich leads to Lempertsbach and Lauterbach Valley and is steeper than the eastern slope. In the northwest you can find high rocks like Sommerstein and Winterstein. The reason for the steeper slopes in western Hainich is the Saalfell-Gotha-Eichenberg Fall. Because of limestone, the Hainich creeks are dry for the most time of the year. In the east of Hainich, water rises up in strong sources like Cane Spring or Popero de Kell. So Hainich is a karst region. Communities. The following communities take part of Hainich: Eigenriden, Heerode, Hilumgen, Naza, Myla, Lauterbach, Bischorode, Berkow, Die Hainich, Beringen, Reichenbach, Krauler, Zimmin, Alterstedt, Webberstedt, Mulverstedt, Fleischheim, Kammerforst, Oppershausen, Langila, Niederdorla, Oberdorla, Mühlhausen. Geology. The geological surface of Hainich is Middle Triassic limestone, so called Muschelkalk. Climate. The annual average precipitation at Hainich Ridge is 31.5 in. The average temperature is 43.7 degrees Fahrenheit. The lower parts in the east are drier and warmer. The next commercial weather station is near Webberstedt. Ecology. Hainich contains the largest coherent area of deciduous trees in Germany. The main trees are beech mixed with ash, maple, Tilia cordata, hornbeam and checker tree. Hainich is also known as an important habitat for wildcat. Central parts of Hainich National Park, so Webberstedt and Skondorf Forest, are rich on deadwood. That's the reason for the incidence of 522 beetles with the habitat only in wood. Biologists found from 1992 to 2008 altogether 2080 of different beetles in Hainich National Park. Forestry. The north of Hainich is managed by the Forestry Service in Kreuzberg. The forests belong to the municipality of Mühlhausen and to the cooperatives of Oberdorla, Niederdorla, Langila and Kammerforst. Selective tree cutting and uneven aged management are dominant in the beech forests. Sycamore, maple and checker tree are bringing the best yield. In former times oaks and hornbeam were favorized. Tourism. A traditional trail is Rennsteig. It is 19.5 mls long and leads from Eigenriden in the north to Beringen in the south across Hainich. On the 26th of August 2005, nearby Thiemsberg Forester's House in the southeast of Hainich, one of the largest tree canopy paths was declared to be open. It is the most important institution for environmental education in Thuringia and a platform for ecological research in the treetop region of a broadleaf forest. An attraction in Mühlhäuser Stadtwald of the redwood trees from 1884. They are the largest ones in Thuringia. A trail from Weiss's house on the eastern edge of Hainich leads to this site. Another curious tree, also in Mühlhäuser Stadtwald, is Corpus Busch, a 400-year-old hornbeam.